Welcome to Jump Math Grade 6. This is Book 2, page 81. We're continuing with solving equations. And in this lesson, it's a one-page worksheet. We're going to look at the method of guess and check. So in this instructional part here, it says finding the value of variable that makes an equation true is called solving for the variable. Arsham uses table to solve 2x plus 1 equals 7. So x equals 3 makes the equation true. So what he does is he puts 1 in for this variable x right here. So 2 times 1 is 2 plus 1 is 3. Is that the correct answer of 7? No. And he does it again. He puts the 2 in there. So 2 times 2 is 4 plus 1 is 5. Is that the correct answer? No, it's not. So he puts an x. He puts 3 in for that. So 2 times 3 plus 1, that equals 6 plus 1, that equals 7. So is this true with our initial equation? Yes. So now we found the value of x that is true. So x equals 3. So that's what we're going to do for this, is some guess and check. Let's try number 1. Complete the table and solve for the variable. So they've done the first two for us. Let's try 3. So we go 3 times x. In this case, we're going to put a 3 where the x goes from this equation up here. Plus 2 equals, what is that? That's 11. Is that true for our answer up here? No, it is not. So that does not work. Okay, let's try another color. Let's try 4. So we do the same equation and we put the 4 in where the x is. So 3 times 4 plus 2. 3 times 4 is 12 plus 2 is 14. Is that the correct answer? Yes, it is. So we found that x equals 4 is true for this equation. So guess and check for B and C. Let's continue on. Number 2, it says, replace n with 5 and say whether 5 is too high or too low, then try a lower or higher number. So for A, 3n plus 2 equals 20. Put a 5 in for n. You have 3 and 5 times 5 is 15 plus 2 equals 17. So is this too high or too low? In this case, it's too low. So now we're going to try another number. So since it's too low, let's try a higher number for n. So now it's 3 times 6 for the n, right? Plus 2. 3 times 6 is 18, plus 2 is 20. And 20 is our correct solution. So that's good. I'll do one more of those. Let's look at D. So for this one, let's put a 5 in for n. So it's going to go 4 times 5 plus 3. Well, 4 times 5 is 20, plus 3 is 23. 5 is, well, 23 is too low, so 5 is too low. Okay, so we're going to then try 6. So let's go. I'll change colors because that's just going to look confusing. So for 6, we go 4 times 6 plus 3. Well, 4 times 6 is 24, plus 3 is 27. Did we get the correct solution? Yes, we did. So in this case, n equals 6 is the correct solution. All right. I hope that helps with the guess and check. See how you do. Thanks.